Hey everybody, it's Vernon Lee. I appreciate you coming to my channel. This is my first video on my new channel. So thanks a lot. It means a lot to me. And I hope everybody's out there safe and sound. Now I have something I want to talk to you all about real quick. And that is something that I learned the hard way. And I was asked about this on Facebook 2 days ago. A friend of mine asked me, he said, "Hey Vernon, man, check it out. I'm paying for Facebook ads. I think they're decent ads. I'm running them to my sales page, and I'm not making any sales, and it's getting really expensive. So I don't know what to do about that." Well, I'll tell you what. I found that out the hard way about 3 years ago. You do not link straight from the ad to the sales page. What you'd probably want to do, if you're running from your ad to your sales page, I don't care if you're doing Amazon even, what you want to do is put you another step in between with some more quality content to get them ready to buy. Maybe offer them something free to get that email, and then send them after they get the email, then send them on to your sales page so they can buy. Besides, not only that, if you're a beginning email marketer or an email beginning marketer, the email is worth more to you probably than the sale that you would have made. If you're on Amazon especially and you're a beginner, I can promise you that email will be worth more than the sale that you will make. Because you'll make more sales that are more money from that email later down the line than the 78 cents you probably would have made from selling a $600 item from Amazon. So don't make that mistake. I don't care what you're doing anyway, you should be getting the email. That's a mistake I made. So if you're linking from the ad to the sales page, once again, stop. Put another step in between you guys. Put some more content in there. Offer them something free to get that email. Send them from the thank you page after they get the email onto the sale page. Hey, thanks a lot. I hope that helped out. If it did, please like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell button. Leave any comments or questions you might have down in the comments. I'll do my best to help you out. If you didn't like the video, I do apologize, man. Please tell me what you didn't like, or maybe we could just part ways. Who knows? Thanks a lot, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.